now we welcome now once again to this our channel. If this one is the first time when they come across our channel, we can do well to follow us, like and subscribe. Now here we bring all this the mended gist they come your way. This will not be them say this one. My people, on today's news, the pressure is getting worse as the Kogi State election done the near. And Mr. Dino not ready to give up for this matter. He don't see come out to still talk to some kind people concerning the upcoming election. My people, I want to play on the video. Make una hear waiting get to talk.
A lot of behind the scene operation that brings very, very mountainous results. And that is Sammy Phillips. Can we celebrate it? PDP! You have observed protocol. You say I'm the last speaker. But as your governorship candidate, and by the grace of God, the governor that is coming very soon, I will finish and yield the floor for him to just greet you. Please, I solicit your, and let me just say hello to us. We thank you for coming, we thank you for your support, and God will honor you. I'm not going to waste our time. What APC is doing today in Kogi is procurement of endorsements and procurement of membership. That's all. They are not campaigning. They are not talking to the issues. All they do is procurement of endorsement. They pay people to come and snap picture and say, I have become. So they are procuring membership and procuring endorsement. And because there is hunger in the land, everybody is moving there to go and collect their share. Some people even ask me and say, go. Now our money. Go there, collect the money with Bismillah and spend it with Alhamdulillah. So what they are doing is procurement. So let your heart not be troubled. And I went and I opened my computer and I googled the Kaaba and I faced the Kaaba and I said, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. Anybody that will be in PDP and collect PDP money and work against PDP, God help me pursue. So all these people that you see that are leaving the party, they are answers to prayer. They are answers to prayer. So God is helping us to remove Firona, Shaitan. God is removing them. Those who will be obstacle, who will collect our money and use our money against us, they are the ones that God is removing them. And we are dealing with the real people. That's you people. You are the real people. You are the real voter. So I want to appeal to us not to be afraid. To know that we can take APC. Today, put Yaya Bello on top of Ododo and still corner than both of them. And I want to announce to you, as political, as worthless as Yaya Bello is, as not performing as Yaya Bello is, he is still better than Ododo. Yes. Is it better than Ododo? Ododo is the originator of percentage salary. At least, Yaya Bello is here to tell us that he's a happily married woman. Yaya Bello is here to address governor as my elder senior brother governor. So, somebody, Yaya Bello is here to tell Kogi that I thank God for my Allah.
Liches government candidates.
Yeah, I thank God for my Allah. Who is Allah? Who is God? Then, Yaya Bello has not said, I am the richest candidate and I'm going to be the richest governor. Is Yaya Bello not better than Ododo? everybody in the hall, just do bye-bye to APC. Bye-bye to APC. Say what you like.